Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're gonna present about our assignment that from BEV 10103 electrical circuit one. We have a four group of members. Number one, myself is Muhammad Nazim bin Ahmad Som. Second, Muhammad Hafizuddin bin Samsuddin Daud. Third, Muhammad Taufik bin Halimi. And fourth, one Muhammad Haziq bin one Muhammad Sailani. We move to the next. We move to the introduction part. The objective of this report is to implant the given circuit using the most accurate theories and concept in electric circuit. Second, to solve the circuit by using circuit simulation software, which is multisim software. And third is to solve the circuit by using manual calculation by applying the suitable theories and concept in electrical circuit. And lastly, to compare result between manual calculation and circuit simulation when obtaining output voltage and output current. Next. Okay. This is electrical circuit analyzing using the simulator. This is circuit 1 and this is circuit 2. We have already do the simulating video, but we separate it from this video because it will be too long. And without wasting any time, I will give the presenter to Wan Muhammad.
Alright, so for electric circuit analysis using the manual calculation, as we can see, the circuit one, for this circuit one, we can use the mesh analysis. So the first thing, we can assume the direction of the loop in the circuit. We can put 3 loops in the circuit. For the first loop, we can use the KVL, which is Kirchhoff voltage law, and mesh analysis. So this is how we can make the 3 equations using the circuit. Next, after we get the three equation, we must arrange the equation into a metric equation to make our calculation become easier and not to be confused. So after that, we can put this equation into the calculator to find the exact values for the I1, I2, and I3. After we get the result, then we look back at our circuit. The I3 are in the same direction with I0. So the answer for the I0 is 1.78 ampere, which is the same value with the I3. Besides, we can use the basic Ohm's law to define the V0, which is V0 equal to I0 times R. So after that, we can get the V0 is equal to 53.4 volt. So next, for the circuit 2, we can use the nodal analysis and KCL. But firstly, we must draw the directions of the current in the circuit. In this circuit, we can put 2 nodes, which is the first node, we can use the KCL, as we can see for our the first equation and the second equation. Then, we also can combine this equation, use the repetition like the circuit 1, because to make our calculation become easier. Next, after that, we can put our equations into the calculator to find the exact value for V1 and V2. After that, we use V0. As we know, the value of V0 is difference between V1 and V2, which is V1 minus with V2 equal to V0. So the value of V0 is 18 volt. Lastly, to find the I0, we can use the Ohm's law technique, which is I0 equal to V0 over R0. So the answer for I0 is 1.8 ampere. Okay, so for me, so I will give it to Muhammad Hafizuddin.
For comparison, we can can conclude that both techniques can be used in circuit 1 and circuit 2. There is no mistake because both can obtain the same answer. However, because of the result of VO is in 3 decimal places and the value of IO is in 4 decimal places, the multism simulator can provide a more precise reading. In circuit 1, for example, the value of VO is 53.333 volt and the value of IO is 1.7778 ampere. As a result, the simulator can provide more accurate result than manual computation. So that's all for comparison. I will give it to my friend Muhammad Taufik.
Okay, thank you to Muhammad Hafizuddin. So, in conclusion, we got two solutions to solve the circuit calculation in this report. For circuit 1, we use mesh analysis to get V naught and I naught. Besides that, we use nodal analysis to solve calculation for circuit 2. We also use circuit simulation software to solve the circuit. After that, we compare the answer between manual calculation and circuit simulation software. For circuit 1 and 2, we actually can use both mesh analysis and nodal analysis to get the answer. Every calculation that we do has Ohm's law to calculate the voltage, resistance, and current that we get in circuit. We also use KVL in circuit 1 and KCL in circuit 2. In this report, we show that by using circuit simulation software, we can get the correct answer for our manual calculation. So that's all for our group presentation.